Well, hello and welcome back to my channel, Make Life Simple with Sandy. All right, y'all, I am fixing to throw together, I'm going to call it a burrito pie. I am going to mix some of the frozen ground beef that I have already cooked up with some enchilada sauce, some refried beans, some taco seasoning, some black olives, and some green chilies, and some cheese. And then the burrito shells. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix all of this in here and then put my burrito shells down and then just kind of layer it with the cheese. I don't know, I didn't get the recipe from any particular place. I just had this and I was wanting a burrito and I thought, this sounds good. So I'll bring y'all back as I am putting it together. Y'all, just so you know, I love this little can opener. It runs off of batteries. You just place it on there and hit the button. And when it gets around to where it started cutting, it stops. And there you go. And then it cuts it. Couldn't do it with one hand, but this is how it takes the lid off. Okay, so, and there's really no sharp edges, so. But if I can find it, I will link it below. But I love it. Okay, y'all, I'm starting to layer it. In here, I have heated up. I've got my ground beef, my olives, my chili peppers, taco seasoning, refried beans, and a small can of enchilada sauce, okay? And then I have put some of my burrito shells down here. I've spread it, put cheese, and then I'm gonna put another layer. Okay, y'all, I got a layer of the burrito shells, and then meat, cheese, another layer of burrito shells, meat, cheese, and then burrito shells on top with a little bit of cheese. So, and I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna put it on 350. I guess everything in it's kind of cooked, so it'll just be until it's, you know, bubbly, hot and bubbly. So, but I'll bring you back and show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, y'all, it's done. It was in there probably about 25 minutes, and it is real hot and bubbly. So I'm gonna plate some of it up and show it to you. Here it is. I've cut me a little corner out of it, and I have put me some salsa, some more cheese, some sour cream, and some guacamole. Real easy to make. So simple, especially if you have your ground beef already cooked and in the freezer. But thank y'all so much for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.